Alright guys, we got a real quick tip on how to find a replacement for one of these Ridgid R4512 casters. You can see mine's delaminated here. It's got like an outer rubber section that just kind of comes off, and I think it's because I've left my table saw sitting on the casters for a long amount of time, because I kind of slide it out of the way and can't really get to the foot pedal when it's stored. So, to fix this, I'm just going to take this wheel off right here, and I'm not even going to use this top caster part. It's just a cheap caster I found on Amazon. The important part is it's a 3-inch diameter and it's a 1 1/4 inch width. And that will fit right in here where this caster is, because if you order the replacement part for Ridgid, I believe it's around $45. But you can get away with just a regular 3-inch caster in this place. This is real easy to do. You just got to make sure you don't have the table saw sitting on the casters. It's just got to be sitting on the legs. There it is. And after it's fixed, rolls like new. This is the 4-caster model. The newer ones are 3, I believe, but I think it should work just the same way.